Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can upcycle any wooden frame into something as gorgeous as this using the Haxon's chalkboard paint. I'm going to start off with priming the surface. The wood that I'm using today is quite porous and it has no finish on it, so priming it is extremely crucial. It won't only give you a very smooth surface for your paint to glide on, your paint will also pop because of the white background. While priming, try to make your coat as even as possible. Here are the Haxon's chalkboard paints. There's a huge variety of shades to choose from. These work beautifully on paper, thermocol, as well as canvas and wood. My primer is completely dry, so now I'm going to go in with the Haxon's chalkboard paint. Make sure that you shake your bottle well before you begin. These paints are extremely fluid in consistency, so you don't need to prep your paint in any way. A dry synthetic brush is perfect to apply it onto your surface. Since the paints are so spreadable, you just need a little bit because a little goes a long way. It's a little harder to get into the crevices of the wooden carvings, but all you need is a smaller brush. I just used one coat for this project and I got an even finish. To clean your brush, you just need a jar of water and the paint will come off easily. If you get your paint onto any surface, just make sure that you wipe it and clean it off with water before it dries. Now here's where the magic really happens. Once your chalkboard paint is completely dry, it's waterproof. As you can see, the water in the jar is completely clear and there's no bleeding whatsoever of the color. Here's a closer look of the final product. If you guys have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.